Welcome back to MashTips. In this video, let us discuss some unique tips for Apple Watch. Do you know once your Apple Watch in a charger, that can show you a night clock? If you don't know how to do this, go to Apple Watch, General, and turn on this nightstand mode. And one more tip before you leave on this charger. Do you know how to check the current battery level of Apple Watch while charging? Just tap on this icon and it will display you the current charge level. Do you know you can use your Apple Watch as a viewfinder when you take a picture or selfie with your iPhone? Just to go to camera app on your Apple Watch, there are a couple of options here. You can select the timer, you can select the front camera or rear camera. Most of the controls you can get from your watch itself. There is a timer, you can enable it. Just tap on this timer and start. Or you can get the rear camera and take a picture. That's a pretty nice feature. If you take a selfie or a family picture, you can control your iPhone camera remotely with your Apple Watch. You can have multiple watch faces on your watch, and you can change these watch faces automatically based on a time or an action. Let us see how to do that. Go to your Apple Watch app. I'm gonna change this infograph in daytime and the symbol one in nighttime. So let us see how to do that. So close your Apple Watch, go to shortcuts and tap on these automations and add new automation, create personal automation, time of the day. So let me set my office time, 5 p.m. Next, then add action, apps, and select here Apple Watch, set to watch face and the face. So it's after my office, so I'm gonna make very simple one. Next, ask before running, turn it off, don't ask, done. Every day at 5 p.m. my Apple Watch will change into a simple one. Let me add one more before testing it. I set 2 schedules for my Apple Watch in my office time at 8 a.m. morning and 5 p.m. evening. It's gonna automatically run at 5 p.m. but just for the video I can run it manually here. Just I'm tapping this button to test it. Now Apple Watch changed into the symbol one. So this is going to run in every day at 5 p.m. The same way, you already set one at 8 a.m. morning to make a more detailed watch face. Tap on it and see whether it's gonna run. In every day 8 a.m. set this watch face to the infograph and 5 p.m. set into very simple one. When you go for a movie theater or in a dark place, you can use your Apple Watch as a flashlight. Just scroll up, tap on flashlight, and there is an option for red. Here you will get a normal white, and if you tap on it, you will get a bright white, and there is another flashlight. This is very useful if you already have a fixed light over there and if you want to get some attention. Or you can get the red, and you can get a bright red if you tap on it. So while you are in an office, when you get a call or something immediately, you can mute that. Just place palm on top of Apple Watch and wait 3 seconds and that's it. You can immediately mute those calls. This is very useful to mute your Apple Watch immediately while you are on a busy meeting or office call. Go to Watch app on your iPhone and scroll down for sounds and haptics and cover to mute. You have to enable the settings. As you know, if you misplace your iPhone, you can directly ping your iPhone from Apple Watch. Swipe up for the control center and tap on here. Then it's gonna ping your iPhone. And there is one more tip here. Somehow if you located the area of your iPhone and still you couldn't find out, then the Apple Watch can enable iPhone flashlight. This will work only if your iPhone in a locked stage. So let me lock it. Now tap and hold the pink button and now you can see it's flashing the light. Do you think it's really annoying to get all rings and alerts on your Apple Watch, especially while you are in office? You can disable that. Get the control center and tap on the silent button, and now your Apple Watch will only vibrate on your wrist. It will not make any speaker sound or any alert. You can set your Apple Watch in a theater mode while you go for a movie, and once you set that and mute on it, then the screen will be permanently dark. If you want to see the screen on theater mode, you can slightly adjust the crowd and you can adjust the brightness over there. When you are playing a music on your Apple Watch, you can change from watch speaker to any headphone you choose. Just tap on this icon and select the device you want. Even you can control the noise cancellation if the device supports. On your Apple Music, the devices are very limited. You can have only a couple of devices. Even you are limited to connect your HomePod Mini direct from your Apple Watch. But if you are playing in a Spotify, you have a lot of options. Since this is connected through your iPhone, and you can have all your devices at your home, and even you can connect Google or Amazon devices to play the music. Just like iPhone, you can share your location right from your Apple Watch. Tap on any message you want to share the location and scroll all the way down, and you can see here send it location. If you are using a passcode protection for your Apple Watch, you can keep it unlocked as long as you are wearing it on your wrist. So tap on it. And you can enable the wrist detection here. Enter the password again. So if you enable the wrist detection, as long as you keep your watch on your wrist, it will be unlocked and you don't need to enter the passcode all the time. It's very convenient. And there is one more option here, unlock with iPhone. And you have to enter the password, and now your Apple Watch can unlock with iPhone, so you don't need to manually enter the passcode. Similarly, you can set your iPhone to unlock with Apple Watch. If you want to get a more detailed video, check the link above. There is a feature called water lock that's going to be very useful when you do any water-based exercise or sports like swimming or surfing. The water lock will automatically enable when you select the swimming mode. Anyway, you can manually enable this water lock by tapping on this icon, and you may see a tiny icon on this notification area. Once you're done, you have to turn your crown to escape from the water lock, and the Apple Watch will quit from the water lock mode. You can slide show your pictures from your iPhone on your Apple Watch. So that feature let you set your photos on your Apple Watch, and every refresh, the new photos will come up. So let us see how to do that. Go to your iPhone and tap on Watch app and Face Gallery and scroll down for photos. Here you go, photos. So here you can set a particular album to display the photos on your Apple Watch, or you can pick a couple of photos that you select from your photo album, or you can choose dynamic and change the theme and tap on add. That's it. So now you can see a slideshow of your pictures with the new images. You can create a Memoji right from your Apple Watch. You can change the hairstyle, eyes, and you can set it as a watch face. If you are a big fan of this Mickey Mouse watch face, it can tell you the time if you tap on it.
It's 2:06.
Make sure you have enabled the silent mode, disable that to get the time.
2:06.
If you want to zoom anything on your Apple Watch, 2-finger tap on it and it's gonna zoom the screen for you. You can enable this setting on your watch app, accessibility, zoom, and tap on here. And you can set the zoom level here too. You can have multiple watch face set on your Apple Watch, and if you want to change it, tap and hold it, then you can slide it to the Apple Watch faces that you set over there. Similarly, you can change the complications on Apple Watch right from the app screen. Tap and hold it, edit, and here you can change the background color, and if you swipe again, now you can change the complications. For example, in this music complication, I can change that one to news. And if you tap on these complications, you can get more details. For example, here for rain, if I tap on it, it will give you the entire day forecast for the rain. If you tap on the temperature, you will get the entire day temperature forecast. You can quickly scroll on top of your Apple Watch just like your iPhone. For example, let me go to settings and let me scroll down all the way down. If you want to go quickly on top of it, just tap on the time icon, then it will quickly scroll up. There is one more interesting thing that we want to mention here that comes handy in emergency situations. So go to settings and scroll down for SOS, hold the side button enabled. If you have any emergency situation, you can hold on the side button and it's gonna call the emergency number. Or there is another feature that you have to enable fall detection. So if you enable this fall detection, it will initiate a SOS and call emergency number if you haven't responded. You can disable the notification on a particular app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down and select any particular notification and swipe left. And here, for this particular app, you can turn off the notification on your Apple Watch, or you can ask to deliver quietly. And similarly, you can clear all notifications at once by tapping on this icon. Usually your Apple Watch will auto-download and install all the apps that you try to install on your iPhone. And there are two problems with that. You may lose your memory on your Apple Watch, and also all the apps will take some battery juice from your Apple Watch, and it may considerably reduce your Apple Watch battery life. You can disable this feature. Go to Apple Watch settings, scroll down for App Store, and turn off this automatic downloads. Do you know you can arrange the apps on your Apple Watch? Tap and hold on any app and you can move around this app where you want. You can do the same thing from your watch app on your iPhone. Tap on it and app view, arrangement. Now you can see the mirror display of this Apple Watch on here. And you can arrange the icons here too. So now if you check on your Apple Watch, you can see the same. There is an option to check the battery health on your Apple Watch. Click on the digital crown, go to Apple Watch settings, scroll down until you see battery, and scroll down, tap on battery health, and here you can see maximum capacity 98%. So this is a good measure to check Apple Watch battery health. If you want to get more details about this Apple Watch battery features, check the above link for the latest video. If you have any battery drain issue or sync issue with your iPhone, you can reset your Apple Watch. Go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, reset, tap on this reset all contents. Make sure you have a backup before you do that. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the subscribe button for latest updates. Meanwhile, if you have an issue with your Apple Watch battery, we have a published video to save battery on your Apple Watch. Please check the left box for Apple Watch battery tips. We'll come back with more videos. See you guys.